Hi, I am Scarlett D, and this is the Super Start Your Day Breathwork session. We have 4 techniques, and I will demonstrate the technique first, and then we'll do the technique together. The first one is the cleansing breath, and this is one of my favorites, a really great way to start your day. So, demonstration. You're going to inhale through the nose. And then you're going to exhale, folding forward to push all the air out through an open mouth. And you're going to make a shushing sound. As you make this shushing sound, you'll notice that the abdomen is contracting. So just do that now. Shh. You can feel that contraction of the abdomen. And this is going to help to push all the air out of the lungs. And then once you've got down and you've emptied your lungs, you're going to close your mouth, and then you're going to place your hands on your knees so you can use your arms as support. So you can inhale, coming up, breathing in through the nose, and then hold your breath, release the shoulders down, and close, your eyes are closed, and then just take a few moments. Before you start going blue in the face, you're going to exhale through the mouth. And that is 1 round of the cleansing breath. So we're going to do that 3 times. I'm going to guide us. Let's go. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, fold forward and down. Shushing sound. Shh. Close the mouth. Coming up. Breathing in through the nose. Hold the breath. Close your eyes and just release the shoulders down, still holding your breath. And then you're going to exhale through the mouth to complete your first round. We're going to do 2 more rounds. So if you're ready, inhaling through the nose, exhaling, folding forward and down, shushing, shh, push the air out, close the mouth. You're coming up on the inhale. Holding the breath, release the shoulders down, relaxing throughout the whole body, still holding the breath. And then when you feel ready to, exhaling through the mouth. And one more time, inhaling through the nose, exhaling, folding forward and down. Close the mouth, coming up, inhaling through the nose. Hold the breath in, release the shoulders. And when you're ready, exhaling through the mouth with some sound. It's always really relaxing to use sound, taking out any stress from the body. And then just closing your eyes and just tune into any effects. Notice what's happening in your body, any sensations. Just a few moments of awareness after that practice. Before we go into the rocket fuel for the day, which is the Eurpohric Breath. So with this practice, you can lie down or you can sit up. So I'm going to stay sitting up. And this is an open mouth practice. And we are going to be activating the sympathetic nervous system. So you're going to inhale through the mouth and you want to feel the abdomen expanding and the chest expanding. So breathing, inhale, inhale, that's the full inhalation, 2-part inhalation. And then you're just going to exhale and let the body collapse. And this is going to push the air out. So it's a passive exhale. It looks something like this. If you put your hand on your belly and your chest, just to really connect you to those areas, making sure that you are breathing fully into the belly, fully into the chest for a 2-part inhalation, and then with the exhalation, just relaxing. So, mouth open. Ooh, it feels good already. So that's the practice. If you start getting dizzy, if there's any discomfort, if it feels super uncomfortable, or if you have any contraindications, heart problems, lung problems, you just come out of surgery, I think you know if you shouldn't be doing this kind of breath work, then you can just breathe in fully and deeply, long, deep, full breaths in and out through the nose to just hypercharge your body a little bit. Otherwise, the euphoric breath is going to be something that's going to really make a nice impact to how you're feeling. It's going to spark your energy, and really, it's because we're activating the sympathetic nervous system, it really supports us to become more alert, more awake, more ready for action. That's the sympathetic nervous system. So this is what we're doing, charging up our body with the euphoric breath. And you get a really nice, good feeling afterwards as well. So we're going to do this together, and we're going to do 20 breaths, 2-part inhale, passive exhale, and then we're going to move into Uddiyana Bandha. So this is 2 techniques that we need for this next part of the session. Uddiyana Bandha is the abdominal lock, and I'm sure many of you know that already. Quickly to demonstrate, it's a lengthening and hollowing of the abdomen. So we want to actually draw in the lower abdomen, just feel that engaging of the lower abdomen below the navel, draw that area in, and then expand and lengthen into the chest. And what you're going to feel is the abdomen becoming long and hollow, and you have that Uddiyana effect. We're going to be doing that with an exhale retention, so we're in the full expression of Uddiyana Bandha that we use a lot in pranayama practices and in breathwork. So I'm going to demonstrate. We're going to use that first part of the cleansing breath, exhale going down with a shushing sound, and then you close your mouth, not letting any air into the mouth or the nose. You pull the body up to expand into the chest, and this is going to create that suction. So I think I need to undo my top so you can see the very beautiful and powerful action of Uddiyana Bandha. I hope you can see it now. So exhale going forward and down, pushing all the air out of the lungs. Feel the squeezing of the abdomen to do that. Shh. You can feel that with the shushing sound. When the lungs are empty, close the mouth and come up nice and strong, expanding into the chest. A mock inhalation, no air going into the mouth or the nose, and then you're going to feel that suction as the navel moves in towards the spine. So, quick demonstration. So you get a really powerful suction, the abdomen moving in when you're in that exhale retention. And you'll notice that I relax the abdomen before I take that inhalation. So that's quite important, because otherwise you get this quite uncomfortable gulping sound in the throat. That means that you just didn't release the abdomen before you did the inhalation. Okay, so we're going to combine those 2 techniques. Let me just my top back on. So as I said, 20 breaths with the euphoric breath, and then going straight into Uddiyana Bandha. So off we go. Last one. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, go forward, shushing the breath. Exhaling. Close the mouth, coming up for Uddiyana Bandha. And then release the abdomen and take a deep breath in. And then just allow your breath to release and flow naturally. No pushing or pulling on the breath. Just again, using a few moments after that very activating technique to just notice how you're feeling. Notice those sensations that this practice has produced. And then opening your eyes as we move into the last and final technique, the breath of joy. So for that, we're going to stand up. So maybe coming onto your hands and knees. And let's just use this opportunity to do a couple of cat-cows. So inhaling, lengthen through the front body. Exhale, round through the spine. As you inhale, lengthen, arching into the spine. And as you exhale, lift the middle of the back up towards the ceiling. Chin to the chest, pubic bone to navel. One more time, inhaling long. And exhaling, rounding into the spine. Making sure your hands are flat on the floor. Let's come up into a soft downward facing dog. Keep the knees bent, lift the sit bones up. Have a little stretch through the arms. And then just slowly walking the feet forward to the hands. And let's hang here for a moment. And very slowly, with soft knees, rolling up through the spine. Okay, so the breath of joy is a great final technique to send you out into the world. We are going to do a 3-part inhalation and then an exhalation where we bend the knees and make a sound. So it looks something like this. You're swinging your arms with every part. So 1, 2, 3, that's an inhale, and then you're going to bend the knees and allow the arms to swing down as we make a ha sound for the exhalation. Ha! And again, inhale. Ha! Ha! Join in. Let's do it 3 times together. Ha! 1, 2, 3. Exhale, forward and down. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, forward and down. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, forward and down. And bring your hands onto the hips. Closing your eyes. So this is a power posture. Standing here like Wonder Woman. Fully in your power, fully activated, ready to start the day. And you have 4 techniques of breathwork that you can do every day now. So I hope you enjoyed this super start to your day. Really enjoyed this practice. I hope you did too. And see you next time.